Hey everybody, Scott from Bonefish Sailing, and it's blowing a solid 30 plus out, gusting to 40 more. Did yesterday too, so not much I can get done because even in the boat things are rocking and rolling. If the hanging baskets are swinging like that, if you can hear my mast slapping around, the line slapping against my mast in the background. Normally they don't make a sound, but it's blowing too strong to even cinch them down. But there's a tip for you that sometimes tightening your lines isn't the way to go when it's really windy and you have your sails down and tied off. Sometimes it's better to let the lines loose and the wind will just blow them away from your mast, or else you end up with mast slap. And if you're not familiar with what that is when your lines get kind of a harmonic back and forth movement due to the wind, and they keep whacking against your mast, usually up towards the top where you can't really do a lot about it. You can wrap the lines around the mast as they get closer to the bottom, which is always something you want to do, is take at least one of your lines and do that, wrapping around the mast a few times, and that'll hold things a little bit better together. But when it gets really windy, sometimes it's better to actually let them loose and just let the wind carry them away from the mast, and you can't get mast slap if the lines aren't next to the mast. Anyhow, my windlass broke again, and I need to fix my mounting plate for my swim ladder after a little trip overboard that it's only the second time it's ever happened to me, but something kicked the motor into gear when I was getting on the dinghy a couple of days ago. I don't know if the start handle hit it on the return stroke or if I just need to readjust it. I think it's a little of both. So anyhow, today's just kind of taking it easy and letting these guys sleep on top of me, because that's what cats do. Anyhow, be safe on the water, everybody. I'll post some more soon.